labas muna tayo kasi punta ako sa trabaho. May COVID test today and then kailangan din namin mag-test bago pumasok trabaho tomorrow kasi it's my off today, and then I need to get my test before ko mo trabaho ugma. And I'll bring you down there and let's see and let's go. Done, guys. I'm done COVID test, and then I'm go home now. And yeah, I'm go home. This is quick, guys. So guys, nasa bahay na ako, kakarating ko lang. Pasok na tayo at gagawin ko ngayon kasi kahapon hindi ako naglinis. Nag-watch lang kami ng movie kahapon kasi we are lazy yesterday, at now I'm gonna do today. I'm going to clean the house and watch clothes. Maglaba tayo. Nasa bahay na tayo at mag-start na ako maglaba. Ilunod ko lang to sa washer at maglinis tayo ng bahay. Linis tayo ng bahay. Ilagay ko muna sa washer, guys, yung lalagyan ko. Guys, ito yung lunch for today. Sticky rice or Vietnamese style. Vietnamese soft ball. I'm gonna prepare, guys, this one. Here's the noodles, and this is the ingredients inside. And then I put this noodles inside and all the ingredients and the water and microwave. Sorry guys, di kita yung mukha ko. Sabi dito guys, you microwave for 2 minutes, but I'm do 3 minutes anyway. And then you cover it. And yeah, they have instruction anyway if you want to, you know, they have instruction. And this one guys is just like one, you ready to eat, but it's just one, you warm in 1 minute only, but I do this warm for 2 minutes. Yeah, you just open a little bit and then put in microwave, and that's it guys. This is my lunch today. Ito na siya guys, already. Ay, yeah. Yeah. Paano to? Ito na guys. Yeah. At saka yung sticky rice. Let's eat. Guys, I'm hungry. Oops. I use chopstick guys. I just wanna learn. I'm gonna mix it because the sauce was on the sauce. I-mix ko lang to guys. Let's see. So yung rice. Here's the rice. It's hot.